Hey guys, welcome to our channel Techno Saviour. I'm sure from video's thumbnail you must have known about today's topic. Well, being a crypto fan, we always wanted to have some crypto related goodies like crypto t-shirt or crypto caps, etc. But we are quite hesitant to spend money. So here is the chance for all of you to win crypto related goodies by following few simple steps. So before I tell you the steps, let me tell you that all the goodies are going to be sponsored by Horizen team and this event is open to all. A special thanks to Horizen team. Now let me tell you the process to participate in this event. First, you have to click on this link which you can find in the description box below. As you can see here, there are already few entries and it's because few days back I had shared about this event in Twitter, Facebook and Telegram. If you want to join us, then you can find the links in the description box below. There are multiple ways to enter and win the cool swag in this giveaway. You can also check out the items available in store.horizen.global, and the best part is if you want to buy something, you can just buy it by using the crypto. In order to participate, you have to click on any of these links and enter your name and email and click on I agree. If you want to get notified about other giveaways by Horizen, then you can click on this. Finally, click on save. The more number of participation increases the chance of winning, and the winners will be announced by us by the end of the session. On winning, you will get a link using which you can select the goodies as per your choice and availability of the goodies, which will be mailed to your mailing address. So hurry up guys, only few days are left. Share it with your friends and win the Horizen cool swags. Guys, we are very happy as this is our first giveaway of Techno Saviour. I would thank you guys for supporting our channel and sharing our videos. And if you guys are new to our channel, please do subscribe to Techno Saviour. Thank you.